Guys, how you doing? We are here, guys. We're off St. John's Road. We're at Red Shop. Red Shop, Red Shop, Red Shop. Guys, this road is the road that leads you to Medares. This road is the road over there is the road that leads you to Dovecut. We are here, guys. We are in Spanish Town. We are making a delivery, guys, in Red Shop. Big up the whole of Red Shop. Big up the whole of John's Road. Big up the whole of Philbot. Big up the whole of Red Pan. Big up the whole of Willowdene. Big up the whole of Harbour Road. Big up the whole of Medares. Big up the whole of Spanish Town. We're here on the delivery trail, guys. And see a little baller. Baller, what go on? You good? Zealins. So where ball there? Oh, you come for the ball. So guys, we're here on the delivery trail. I just wanted to reach out and big up the whole of Red Pan. Alright, big up the whole of Philbot. I'm a town dad. Big up the whole of Philbot. We're there. Enough respect. We're there, we're up on the delivery trail. We are here, we are great, we are deliver. You don't know it go already. I'm say, I want to say enough respect, enough big up to all of the guys them in Spanish Town, especially this side of Spanish Town, who has joined us. Enough respect to Uno. Love it. Big up on yourself, guys. There's a link in the description box. Click on that link, guys. Join us today. We are your friendly neighborhood shipping company. We're gonna get your items shipped from overseas and delivered to your doorstep here in Jamaica. Alright, guys, we're here, we're on the road to doing it. Again, big up the whole of Red Pond, big up the whole of Philbot. Love you no much. Enough respect. Later, guys, we're on the delivery trail, and today me I operate the camera. Alright? We fire the camera, girl. Alright, guys, take care. Remember, there's a link in the description box. Click it. Join us today. Alright? Enough love.